Tech Lyceum. Turn up the volume for another insightful episode of Tech Lyceum, a podcast from Birlasoft. We're all set to explore the world of data platform modernization and its role in transforming digital strategies. Driving this conversation are two high-level experts from Birlasoft, Jibat Sarkar, the Senior Client Partner Business Relations Manufacturing, and Ravi Gunturu, Chief Architect Data and Analytics HBU.
The discussion around data platform modernization in the context of the manufacturing clients, it has undergone a shift in the post-pandemic world. In the pre-pandemic era, this industry was dealing with the advent and relevance of newer technologies in cloud, in big data, blockchain, AR, VR, machine learning, AI, and IoT. And there was an increased pressure on manufacturers to adopt digital transformation. They wanted to drive value for the shareholders and end customers. Now, with the pandemic, this moved the needle from that exploration of the art of the possible to implementation.
In the last 30-40 years, there is a significant movement towards improving productivity through automation. Whether it is related to the industrial products, factories, or even the entire manufacturing chain from all the way from planning to service. It's evolving, fast evolving from an analog set to the digital set.
Get an exclusive sneak peek at the future of manufacturing only on Tech Lyceum, a podcast from Birlasoft. Catch the full episode on www.birlasoft.com. Tech Lyceum.